Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Seema Saini. I hope you all are good. So student, today we are going to discuss a new topic from grammar series, that is adjectives, a part of speech. Okay. So first of all, we'll discuss what are adjectives and then types of adjectives. Okay. So let's start with what are adjectives. Okay. So adjectives are words that are used to describe noun or pronoun. Okay. So noun और pronoun को describe करते हैं, noun और pronoun की quality को बताते हैं. These are adjectives. Okay. So let's take some example. Cute, tall, thin, elderly, etc. Okay. Types of adjectives. Okay. So there are 8 types of adjectives: descriptive adjective, demonstrative adjectives, distributive adjectives, interrogative adjectives, numeral adjective, quantitative adjectives, proper adjectives, okay, and possessive adjectives. Okay. So let's understand one by one. Okay. Descriptive adjectives. Okay. An adjective that modifies a noun or pronoun by describing it or expressing its quality. Okay. जो noun और pronoun की quality को बताते हैं, these are descriptive adjectives. Okay. Example: big, small, short, tall, etc. Okay. These are descriptive adjectives. Okay. Next, demonstrative adjective. Okay. So demonstrative adjectives are those adjectives which indicate something. Okay. So demonstrative adjectives are used to in order to indicate or specify an object. Okay. जो किसी चीज को indicate करते हैं, ठीक है, उनको हम demonstrative adjective बोलते हैं. Okay. Example: this, these, that, those. Okay. So this is used for singular noun. Okay. सिंगुलर नाउन के लिए दिस का यूज होता है. ओके. एंड दिस इज यूज फॉर प्लूरल नाउन. ओके. दिस फॉर सिंगुलर, ठीक है, सिंगुलर थिंग को इंडिकेट करने के लिए दिस का यूज होता है और प्लूरल थिंग को इंडिकेट करने के लिए दिस का यूज होता है. ओके. एंड दैट, ठीक है, दैट का यूज सिंगुलर थिंग को इंडिकेट करने के लिए. लेकिन दिस और दिस में क्या डिफरेंस है? दिस अगर आपकी थिंग्स नजदीक है, ठीक है, तो आप दिस का यूज करेंगे सिंगुलर थिंग के लिए. और अगर थिंग्स क्या है, दूर है, आपसे दूर है, ठीक है, तो डिस्टेंस बताने के लिए, ठीक है, सिंगुलर थिंग के लिए हम दैट का यूज करेंगे. ठीक है. एंड दीज एंड दोज. ओके. दीज और दोज में क्या डिफरेंस है? ठीक है. दीज इज द प्लूरल ऑफ दिस. ओके. सो दीज का यूज अगर आपके नजदीक कोई चीजें हैं और प्लूरल में है तो आप दीज का यूज करेंगे. ठीक है. और चीजें डिस्टेंस में है, ठीक है, और प्लूरल में है तो आप दोज का यूज करेंगे. ओके. Next, distributive adjectives. Okay. So distributive adjectives is an adjective, okay, that refers to members of a group individually. Okay. So for example, the principal has called each one of the students. Okay. So here each one, okay, each one is distributive adjective. Okay. Next example: either of the cars, okay, he has is green. Okay. So either is distributive adjective. Okay. Next, she wore neither of the dresses. Okay. So neither is distributive adjective. Okay. Next, interrogative adjective. Okay. An interrogative adjective, okay, an adjective that modifies a noun by asking question. ठीक है, जो question ask करने के लिए यूज होते हैं. Okay. For example, who, whom, whose, which, what, etc. means WH words. Okay. Numeral adjectives. So numeral adjectives are used to denote exact number or position of the subject in the sentence. ठीक है. So what are numeral adjectives? So exact number बताते हैं. Okay. So let's understand indefinite numeral adjectives. What are indefinite numeral adjectives? Let's understand with the example. Okay. There are no books here. Okay. So means here no is indefinite numeral adjective. Okay. Definite numeral adjectives. Okay. Definite numeral adjective के 3 पार्ट हैं. ठीक है. Cardinal numeral adjective, ordinal numeral adjective and multiple numeral adjectives. Let's understand what are cardinal numeral adjectives. Okay. So for example, there are 11 players in a football team. Okay, so 11 is the cardinal numeral adjective. Okay, ordinal numeral adjective. Okay, this is first to join the new session. Okay, so first is the ordinal numeral adjective, means first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, these are ordinal numeral adjectives. Okay, next, multiplicative numeral adjectives. Okay, example, she charged me double the actual rate. Okay, so double is the multiplicative numeral adjective. Okay, next, distributive numeral adjective. Okay, example, every word of it is false. Okay, so every is the distributive numeral adjective. Okay, next, quantitative adjective. Okay, so let's understand what is quantitative adjective. A quantitative adjective is that adjective which tells about the quantity. Okay, so quantitative adjective, the quantitative type of adjective applies to the question statement classification like how much or how many. Okay, means एक quantity को बताते हैं, how much, how many. Okay, so let's take some example. All, few, many, little, etc. Okay, so let's take an example in sentence. Okay, there are many grains of salt. Okay, in a salt shaker. Okay, so many is the example of quantitative adjective. Okay, next, proper adjective. Okay, so let's understand what is proper adjective. A proper adjective is a modifier that is formed from a proper adjective. ठीक है, so proper adjective क्या है, जो कि proper noun से बनते हैं. Okay, for example, India. Okay, so India is a proper noun. Okay, Indian. Okay, so Indian is a proper adjective. Okay, next, possessive adjective. Okay, so an adjective that modifies a noun by identifying who has ownership or possession of it. Okay, so possessive nouns tells about the possessive adjective are those adjectives which tells about the ownership, okay, or possession. Okay, words which are used to tell about the possession or ownership. Okay, like example, my, your, his, her, its, ours, your, their, etc. These are possessive adjectives. Okay, so let's take an example in the sentence. Okay, hi, I'm Paul and this is my dog Max. Okay, so my is possessive adjective here. Okay, next, that's all for today. I hope you all have understood very well. Okay, thank you. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care.